Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Kolio.
I'm Smum.
And today we're going to be doing these wood shop. There's a birdhouse and then a bird feeder. So
From the Dollar Tree.
yeah. So thanks Dollar Tree. She's gonna be doing the birdhouse while I do the bird feeder. So let's get started.
The instructions for this are on the back with how many parts it comes with.
Same for the bird feeder.
Are you good?
Excuse you, ma'am. Sissy's right here.
Oh no.
You got so many pieces, fam. I hate that I just said that. Here we go.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Neither do I, because we're not craftsmen women. We're not craftswomen. Concentration phase could be real hard also.
I mean, for $1, this is a pretty cute kids craft.
That is the straightest line I've ever done in my life. It smells like straight up Elmer's glue. Oh no, what if this is like a 10-hour craft? I don't see how I want to let it dry.
I mean,
We're on the struggle bus.
I don't know. Wait, which side looks better?
Oh, flip.
I mean,
I think it's gonna glue pretty fast.
Yeah, because that glue is just like thick.
Well, not when you tip it like that.
I should have just done one side at a time. I'm really dumb.
Really sorry that it's like whitewashed out there. But the light is literally right above the camera, so sorry about it. Looks crooked.
Don't laugh.
It's crooked.
It'll be better when I glue on this other edge.
Ew. Gross. Look at that. Has my finger touched it? Makes me think of Elmer's glue. Do y'all ever play with Elmer's glue just all over your fingers? Just me?
This is not easy. Or I'm just dumb.
This is for 5-year-olds. Like, girl, I'm 25. I got 20 years of life on that 5-year-old. Like, he or she can do this. Like, they real talented or something.
I don't know if this runs. No, this one's straight, this one's straight, this one's straight, this one's straight. This one's not.
Maybe if I stand it up. Where did I put the glue this time? Yeah. I'm going to put more glue on it. Let me just add more glue. You know, it's fun. I mean, at least they give you plenty of glue.
I know. Does this go over this? Oh, it does.
What are you eating? Lipsticks, lipsticks. You have one question for dog parents.
I mean, this is fun. Stressful.
You better gonna be real comfy in there. Shut up! I wish you could show them, but it fall apart. No, it's fine. I just gotta wait for it to get tacky, then I can move it again. What'd you do? I'm doing it.
Not really. It's still crooked.
I mean, it's crooked, but it's sticking.
You got glue everywhere.
It's fine. It's not, but it's fine.
She says before she throws it in the trash. Well, that's not even
I'm
touching
doing
that
it.
stick. Dang.
I'm doing
It
it.
dries pretty fast.
I'm doing it.
Alright. You're gonna sit right here. Yeah, it dries because this ain't touching.
You a little crooked.
A little.
No, it's not too bad.
Try a lot of.
It's not too bad. It's fine. It's fine. I don't give a crap anymore.
Yeah, don't finagle with it too much.
I'm so nervous.
This is like building a gingerbread house.
Don't get me started on that gingerbread house.
I forgot for a second what you were making. It's just a box. Apparently it's not just a box.
Guys, I'm almost done. Step 2. You're gonna glue this down.
It scared me so bad. I was like, yeah, it's coming together.
Okay, I'm just gonna let that glue over there. I'm gonna work on this piece. This ain't bad.
I was just waiting for it to pop off.
I mean, I was on the struggle bus for a little bit. You've been on the struggle bus since you opened it.
So it's coming along nicely. It's a little crooked back here, but it's fine. It's fine.
It looks like a wishing well. It's a birdhouse. Don't be mistaken. Package said so.
So that makes it true.
100%. You can't ever repurpose anything you buy from the store. It says exactly what it's meant to be.
Okay, you just want that job for a little while. I don't think so. Might not like half bad. I mean, there's a couple gaps here and there because I didn't glue it right. Excuse you. And I'm just gonna let it dry.
So we'll be back after these short messages. There's no messages. Welcome back.
No, that's so loosey-goosey. Loosey-goosey! How long does it take for glue to dry? I don't know. Because I thought these were dry, but they're not. So where did my lid go? Here, it's over here. I told you I moved them because it was setting off the light. Well, so there's like a nice big gap right here. Can't even see it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you can see that gap. That's great. We'll have to get like more glue and fill that in. Oh, yeah. What are you wanting?
Okay, so there's no hope for me. Is this one mine?
Yeah.
Take 2. What happened?
Show.
I don't know if you can see.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
And this is what mine looks like.
Your thing.
The lid up is glued on the inside of this. Mine was going so well.
I'm gonna just glue this in.
Okay. That hole is not big enough. I shoved it in anyway.
Oh, there's already glue in there.
I'm almost done.
So,
Gosh.
lipstick.
Don't gasp at me.
I painted a birdhouse once for my mom. She didn't care too much for it. Like, she left it at the old house.
You need to tell them what color scheme it was first.
Oh, well, the roof and the floorboard of it, like the bottom of hers, which you can't see right now because there's plastic in the way. I mean, it was much bigger than this, but were pitch black. And then, like, the mid-center of it was hot pink.
I'm gonna fill in these gaps. Okay. Ah! Why are you coming out too? Two at a time. Too many. I gave birth to twins. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Fill in the hole.
I don't know why, but that just made me think of the old show on Playhouse Disney before it became Disney Junior called Out of the Box. That show was my jam.
You should have got toothpicks. This would have been so much easier. I've almost filled in the gaps.
It's done. I mean, you can tell it's rough. It's fine. It's
In a
cute.
memento.
It's cute though.
Yeah, this would have been a lot easier. Okay. I don't need so much glue. I'll just put on that, but there's a lot.
It's done. Look at this finished product. It's so whitewashed.
You can't. Oh, shoving your hand behind it when they do that to focus it.
I know. Shh. Here we go. That's not. Ooh, yeah, you can see that gap right there. Isn't my extra glue to.
This is mine. A little bird box. Or bird feeder. Bird box. Did you guys watch that movie?
I don't want to watch that
It
movie.
was stressful. That's our finished product. So I guess that's it. Right? We accomplished another video. High five to us.
She does that to me a lot.
A lot. So, if you like this video, make sure you click the like button. If you have any other suggestions for us to try and be on that struggle bus again, leave them down below.
Especially from the Dollar Tree, because we cheat.
Yeah, there's no money in this production. And if you want to keep watching our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye, guys. Bye. We don't even need to cut it.
I don't have that. Mine ain't got that. Why are you so fancy?
Are these all just roof tiles? No. These are the sides.
We're gonna be on the struggle bus real hard for this video.
Every day. You don't understand. Glue! There's glue! Everything is glue. Oh, no.
All right, Jenna.
Go.
I hope you guys got that reference.
Sissy. Nicole.
What?
Sissy. They're gonna get that reference.
Well, not everybody.
I locked myself out of my own phone.
Alright, she don't want to come in. She plays jokes like that.
Oh my gosh!